Let us talk about the story of a woman and a mother in New Caledonia. This is the story of Hyacinthe, entitled My Brand New Life. Mom, can we please come back tomorrow? Our two youngest children asked with big smiles. It was our first time attending an Adventist meeting. A friend had invited us, and we came simply to be polite. My husband, Bruno, and I agreed beforehand that we would only listen and nothing more. But something unexpected happened. Our children were very happy because they saw their friends and even made new ones. After the meeting, we stayed, drank warm herbal tea, and talked with friendly people who shared how God had changed their lives. As we continued attending the meetings, our children really enjoyed the pastor's sermons, especially the messages about creation and the wonders of nature. I was also deeply touched. The choir songs brought tears to my eyes, and I appreciated how the pastor encouraged us to read the Bible and learn for ourselves instead of simply believing what he said. Although I had already been attending church and praying, what we experienced here felt different and truly special. One day, during the second week, the pastor asked who wanted to be baptized. We were surprised when our child said that he wanted to be baptized. While I was still thinking things through, my child's young heart was already ready to know God. God was also working on my heart, even though I felt unworthy. That night, I prayed alone and cried until I felt peace and realized that I was ready. The next morning, I packed a white dress and a towel and went to the meeting with our children. When the pastor called those who wanted to be baptized, I stood up and walked to the front in tears, not from sadness, but from the love for Jesus. Our children were filled with joy when they saw me baptized. Far away at sea, my husband felt something in his heart and said, "Your mother is being baptized." From that day on, my faith has grown, and I hope that our whole family will also choose to follow Jesus. The 13th Sabbath offering will help establish a center of influence in Wallis, reaching many people like Hyacinthe and helping them come to know God. Thank you for your generous offering.